How to transfer money from bank to Cash App. First things first, just make sure your regular bank account or debit card is already linked to your Cash App profile. All right, grab your phone and open up your Cash App. Right there on the main home screen, you'll see a big button that says Add Cash. Go ahead and tap that. A menu will slide up from the bottom showing a few quick preset dollar amounts you can choose from. Now, if you want a specific number that isn't listed there, just hit those three little dots on the bottom right. That opens up a custom keypad. For this example, let's type in exactly $25. Once your amount looks right, look down at the bottom and tap that big green Add button. Cash App will instantly process the secure transfer from your bank. You'll see a success screen pop up that says you added $25 to your Cash App. Just tap Done at the absolute bottom and you're good to go. Your main balance updates right away. And hey, if you ever need to do the exact opposite and move your funds back, click right here to watch my quick guide on how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank. See you there.